Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these incredibly easy but very cute geode cookie rings. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to start with a cookie cutter. Now I'm just kind of trying things out here to see what is going to work. You are going to need 2 different sizes of circular cookie cutters. That's a little bit too thick, so I'm going to go a bit thinner here. I often utilize different sized piping tips when I want to create varying circles that are a little bit smaller than your average cookie cutter, and using the larger tip size with the regular size tip seems to be working out for this. Now these cookies will only fit on your pinky finger if you're an adult, but will fit on all of your fingers if you are a child, most likely. Whenever I'm making shapes like circles, I do like to put this into the freezer for about 10 minutes before baking them. You could also put them in the fridge, but it takes a little bit longer for things to really solidify. What you're doing is you're getting that butter to solidify back up so that it really maintains its shape as it bakes. I got a whole bunch of different mini cookie cutters and I cut out different shapes. Right here I have a heart and I'm just using my piping icing, but that's just because this is what I have on hand. I'm also going to be rolling this into my candy rocks. Flooding and piping or piping consistency will work for this. You don't want to go too much looser than that because the candy can start to fall off and it won't adhere properly. Use whatever shapes that you desire, but I do recommend going a little bit simpler on the shapes because if you do something that's very, very detailed, then it might not look like the shape that you've chosen because those rock candies are slightly large. I really wanted to give this a jewelry feel, and I think golden pearls or silver pearls work really well on this as well. Once you've finished coating all of your jewelry pieces with all of those little geode candies, then flip them upside down, and then you are going to want to use piping icing for this, because if you don't use piping icing, then things will start to fall apart and it won't dry as easily. You want to generously put some of that royal icing on the back of each cookie, and then you take those little circles that you made earlier and place them on top. The icing does need to be thick, but not too thick to the point where it's very, very dry. You do need to have it a little bit sticky still so that things adhere to it. Wait until everything is fully dry and voila, there you have it, these adorable little cookie rings. Now let's get into the pricing of these cookies. These are fairly straightforward, but they do have that added piece that you do need to put on at the back. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys.